What's going on, guys? Thank you for stopping in and checking out this channel. I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Lavish Kumar and I started my career as a full stack web developer. I actually went to college for computer information systems to learn about different programming languages, how to create web applications and manage databases. But honestly, in this day and age, I don't think you really need a college degree to become a programmer or a developer. So I've always been interested in technology and automation. I love coding because coding allows us to automate tasks. And I'm always looking for different ways how we can make use of the latest technology and improve or automate processes. So you must be wondering, what exactly is Striving Programmers? So Striving Programmers is an online community for web developers, programmers, or anyone who is interested in coding, basically. And I started this community back in 2010 for developers as a personal blog where I used to write how-to tutorials for all the developers. And I named it as Striving Programmers because it is for programmers who are striving for knowledge. That was the whole idea. Basically, programmers who are looking to learn something new. And I call it a community because I wanted to create a place where all the developers, programmers can share their experience and knowledge with each other. And that is exactly what I will be doing on this channel. I will be sharing my experience and knowledge as a full stack web developer with you guys. And I can tell you exactly what value you will be getting from this channel. You will learn how to improve your coding skills and workflow. You will learn how to streamline different processes and automate manual tasks. You will learn how to solve problems using coding. On this channel, I will also help you in building web application or website, whether it is for your portfolio, for your business, or even for your clients if you're looking to become a freelancer. I will be posting a lot of how-to tutorials, sharing tips and tricks in different areas of development. Overall, this channel will help you in becoming a better web developer and create those awesome web applications. I will also be focusing on how to become a full stack web developer if that's what you're looking to do. So please subscribe because a lot of interesting content will be coming to this channel that will add value to your life and to your career. Thank you.